Okay, you're welcome to another tutorial. So look at the question now. You can pause this video to look at the question, read the questions, then look at all the options. We have to make this video as short as possible. So this is the diagram. You can pause this to look at the diagram carefully. So the question states we should look for the volume, and the volume, if you check the previous video titled mensuration cylinder part 1, you see that I explained that volume is based on the fact that the initial shape, the area of the initial shape with the height. But in this case, we have the area of the initial shape being a rectangle, being a triangle, so it's half base times height. Then the elongation of that triangle upon triangle upon triangle will give you that height. If you check those previous videos I made, the explanation of mensuration cylinder. So volume is based on area times height. So that's how we got that. But in this case, the height, we can't have half times base times height, then another height. So the height is represented as the length, as the elongated length. So we have half, we have height, we have the length, but we don't have the base. So therefore we need to find the base first to find the volume. So in order to find the base, so if you look at it now, we'll pick that part of that triangle, so that will correspond to the other 13. If you scroll back or rewind back, you will see that 13 is on that side, so it corresponds to the slanty hypotenuse. So we'll pick that part. We'll use the Pythagoras theorem to find the base. So you can pause the video, then look at the process of finding the base. But let me just tell you this fact: since hypotenuse is 13, we can't tell which side will be the opposite or adjacent. So it does not matter. Any side can be the opposite, any side can be the adjacent. It does not really matter, because there's no angle involved. It's only when there's an angle involved we have an exact opposite. For example, if there's 30° or 60°, then we can have an exact opposite. So just compare the opposite and adjacent. You can fix it with any value, and you surely get the right answer. So that's it. So now that we have found the value for B, we can then plug in the value, substituting it. So you can pause the video and look at how it is solved. So that's all for now. So we have gotten our final answer, 540 centimeter cube.